I love challenges and I truly enjoy to shape and create new topics. My name is Carina Heinlein. I'm leading the electrolysis assembly team here in Bamberg. This team connects experts from Bamberg, Linz, Tilburg and Anderson. After my machinery studies, I started working at Bosch as an engineer. When I heard about the electrolysis industrialization project 2 years ago, I instantly knew that I wanted to be part of this team. We are at the core of developing something completely new that's incredibly fascinating for me. Each and every day I see the progress we've made and feel the still unrevealed potential at the same time. Today, we are looking at an electrolysis stack build-up consisting of several dozens of cells. This success is the result of an incredible team effort. Great people who are willing to work really hard for this technology to evolve. One of them is Christian, our shop floor supervisor. Formerly, he supported the fuel cell ramp-up for 5 years. Today, we benefit from his knowledge and curiosity in the electrolysis industrialization project.
We are really proud of what we have achieved so far. Well, Carina is the one who is great at motivating us all with her passion.
As an example of our great simultaneous engineering teamwork, we did an in-house development of a stack tensioning tool. This tool enables us to clamp stacks with several hundred tons almost homogeneously within minutes. Nearly every day we're thinking about possible optimizations to improve the next stack build-ups. It feels like yesterday when we started with the first samples. Our workers needed a lot of muscle power to bring the required force into the stack manually. Today, we have to produce lots of stacks which are linked to customer orders. In the future, we will electrolyze the industry. Being responsible for a new product like the electrolysis stack means giving 120% every day. But it pays back. I'm proud to say I'm working on a project which can have a bigger impact on all of us. And I'm really lucky to say I have so much fun doing it within this great team.